this video, you will see how a blockchain works with Bitcoin implementation. In the last video, we saw why we need blockchain. Blockchain removes the centralized governing body, thus by increasing the transparency, trust and security, and decreasing the high processing fees and high processing time. If there is no centralized governing body, who manages the transaction? How we will get the trust? To find the answers to these questions, we will see how a blockchain works with a Bitcoin example. One of the core technologies used in blockchain is peer-to-peer network or decentralized network. Here, it is not centralized, there is no governing body, so it is a decentralized network. Here, every node acts both as client as well as server. Here, the node is just a computing device. It can be any device. Here, each node has a copy of ledger, also called as distributed public ledger. Here, Mary sends 500 bitcoins to Gerald. Now this transaction will be broadcasted to all the nodes in the network. This transaction will be verified by the miners. Let's take Jesse and David are the miners who verified this transaction. This transaction will be in unconfirmed state. All the unconfirmed transaction will be present in the transaction pool. One or more transaction in the transaction pool can be clubbed together to form a block. Now they will start a race to complete a complex mathematical assignment called proof of work. Now if David completes this proof of work first, this block will be verified by all the nodes in the blockchain. If major number of nodes, that is 51% of nodes in the blockchain agrees with this block, then this verified block, which contains the cryptographic hash of previous block, transaction details and timestamp, will be added to the blockchain. We will see what is hashing, what is cryptography in the cryptography chapter. Now David will get 12.5 bitcoins as rewards. This is called Bitcoin mining. These 12.5 bitcoins are added to the total available bitcoins in the blockchain. By this way, new bitcoins were mined. These 12.5 bitcoins are the new bitcoins which are freshly mined. This 12.5 bitcoins reward are the value as of 2018. This value will be changed to 6.25 in 2020. That is the Bitcoin block mining reward halves every 210,000 blocks, which is approximately 4 years. In the essence, blockchain can be thought as immutable or unhackable database. This is the beauty of blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed database that enables permanent, transparent and secure storage of data holding encrypted ledgers. This means block is a current part of blockchain which records the recent transaction. Once this block is verified, it will become a permanent part of a blockchain and can't be modified. Blockchain is completely fault tolerant. That is, if one or more node misbehaves in the decentralized network, blockchain is resilient enough to withstand even in the presence of malfunctioning nodes. This is one of the important features of blockchain. In the blockchain, trust is quantifiable, which is attained using game theory such as proof of work or proof of stake. We will see more about this in forthcoming videos. By design, blockchain is resilient to modification of data. Once the data is entered into the blockchain, this can't be modified. So, the blockchain is decentralized distributed public ledger.